Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, we are going to see the structure or the sarf of the Arabic words, and under this, we are going to see how different Arabic words change their forms according to different situations. Let's go to our next slide. This is our first slide. In this, on the right hand side of the column, I have defined the scales of the Arabic word, and on the left hand side three columns I have given some Arabic words. And this is the first word. This is the bakal. Bakal is a verb, three-lettered word on the scale of fail, and bakal is to authorize something, somebody, or to empower somebody. In that regard we are going to use. And then we have malak. Malak is also a fail, and this is to own something. And then we have the Ra. Ra is also a three-lettered word. Ra is actually some comfort which is related to the wind or the air or the fragrance. In that sense, we are going to use. Then we have the variation of this Ra. Ra is Re. Re is also some wind. And then we have Ru. Ru is again to rotate or to go out, or the wind which is going to give you comfort and make your spirits high. So in that regard we are going to use this as well. And like is going to make you strong. In that sense we are going to use it. And then we have malak. Malak is also three-lettered word, and this is a noun as well. Malak can be a king as well, or a owner as well. So this would be like the ownership, the fail, and this would be like that owner or the king. And then we have the next scale is file. File is one we are going to put an alif between fa and an. This is subject noun, and malak is going to become malik. Malik is again some kind of a owner or some kind of a king. Then we have the variation of this ru, rabe as well, and rabe is again a file, and this is again which is going to like give comfort. In that regard we are going to use, or which is going to give you some fresh air. So that regard we are going to use. This is a verb. And then we have phyla form scale. We are going to have a ha after that file, and then malik is going to become malka, and malka is the female of malik, some kind of a queen. And then we have or the owner, or then we have raiha. Raiha is again some sort of a wind or a fragrance. So in the air, through the air you are going to get something. So in that regard we are going to use it. And then we have mafile form, and this is going to make malik into mamalik. Mamalik is kingdoms or the countries, plural form. Then we have maful scale. Maful is going to make this malak into mamluk. Mamluk is some sort of a property or a country or a slave. So malak is going to have a mamluk. So this is going to be a master. This is going to be a slave or a owned property, or can be a kingdom as well. And then we have this file scale. File is going to make this vakal into vakil. Vakil is an agent upon which you trust or you empower him, give him the power of attorney. So that is your vakil. And then we have from file it becomes tafil. Tafil is again a noun, and wakil is going to become tokil. Tokil is again authorizing or empowerment. Tamlik is ownership or the property. And then we have tarvi as well. Tarvi is again some sort of a rest or a relief, which is going to come through the like a very good or refreshing wind. Tarvi in that sense we are going to use, which is going to give you satisfaction or comfort. and it can be used like once somebody is going to lift you up or make your spirits high. So in that regard we are going to use. Then we have Faila form from Fail. This is also from Fail, and Faila is going to make Vakil into Vakila, a female agent. And then we have Malika. Malika is again going to be a honor or a queen. And then we have this Raviha. Raviha is again some sort of a rest which you are going to get through fresh air. And then we have Fall. Fall scale is going to make Malak into Malak, and Malak is like a bigger honor than this Malak. So if Malak is going to be a king, Malak is going to be a emperor, you can say. But this, remember, this is going to be some kind of a honor. Some people interpret it as an angel. So even if there is an angel, he is going to own something. And then we have Riya. Riya is again some wind which is going to freshen you up. And then we have Mafal scale. Mafal is going to make this buckle into Mikal. Mikal is the name of a angel, but it can be a king as well. And now let's go to our next slide. And now we see this Bakala. Bakal is going to become Vakala, and Vakala is a some sort of a agency or a professional thing which is going to work as an agent. So this is going to be a profession noun. And then we have the Afal from Fal scale, and then it is also a noun, and it is going to make Malak into Amlak. Malak is ownerships or the properties or the kingdoms. And then we have again this Afal, and Afal is going to be the plural, and plural this is going to become Ru is going to become Arva, and Arva is again some sort of a you can say the rotation or of the wind or the winds which are going to go out, or those fragrances. So in that sense we can use those, although some people use those as a spirits as well. So spirits are going to be like high through that freshening or the rest which you are going to get. And then we from the Afal we are going to get the Aftal form. Aftal is going to make Bakal into Ittakal, and Ittakal is dependence on something, or once you are going to give your trust to somebody and you are going to depend on that. So that is Ittakal. And Imtalaq is going to be like the property. And then we have this Artya, and Artya is again going to be some sort of a rest or some sort of a air, freshening air. So in that regard we are going to use it. And then we have Mufil. Mufil going to make Bakal into Mokal, and Mokal is that central figure or a client around which a case is going to revolve. So that is actually a Mokal. Once you are going to hire a Vakil, then you are going to be his Mokal. And or you Mufil sometimes is a time noun, place noun, or a center of activity noun. So this Mokal is going to be the center of the case. And then we have Mara. Mara is again a rest house which is going to freshen you up. And then we have this Mufil scale, and Mufil is an adjective. And then we have from re we are going to get Marie. Marie is again some sort of a air or fan. And then we have Muftail form, and Muftail is going to make this from Bakal we are going to get Muttakil, and Muttakil is actually somebody who is going to rely on some person. So it is going to be a reliant or that dependent is going to trust on in somebody. And then we have Marta. Marta is like a fan or like a strong breeze. And then we have Mofila, and Mofila is Mokila, and Bakal is going to become Mokala. Malak is going to become Mamlikat. Mamlika is a female noun. Mamlikat is a country. Countries are usually said to be females. And then we have Mroha, and Mroha is again a fan or a strong breeze. Then we have Fela scale. Fela is a noun, and Malak is going to become Malka, female of a Malak, and Ra is going to become Raha. Raha is again some sort of a pleasant thing, or which is going to make you satisfied, or you are going to rest. And then we have Fela scale. Fela is going to be a Vakal into Vakala. Vakala is those agents. And then we have Tafil, and Tafil scale is going to make Vakal into Tawakkal, Malak into Tamallak, and Thru into Thru. Thru is again a fan or a wind. Tawakkal is going to be that trust, because we are going to empower somebody to work for you, and Tamallak is again some owner. Once you are going to own something. These are verbs. And then we have Phyla. Phyla is a plural, and it is going to make Malak into Malaika, and Malaika is usually the plural of this Malak, and Malaika is again those owners or those emperors, bigger kings. And then we are going to have Tafail scale. Tafail is a plural, and it is going to make Thru into Travi, and Travi is again the plural of this Tarvi, right? So Tarvi is some sort of a rest, and Taravi is those breaks which you are going to get for rest, those multiple breaks. So let's get a summary out of it now. So these three-lettered words which are going to have a vowel in between two consonants, they can change forms like this as well, but they are always interrelated. And then there is a difference between Malak and Malak. Remember this. And then from this root word Vakal, we are going to get Mikal. So remember this as well. Mikal is related to this. But remember that Mikal is said to be one of these as well. So be careful about these things. And see how this Mafil works like a time noun or a place noun or a center of activity noun. And then we have Travi as well. And Travi is also those multiple breaks which are going to give you the rest. So thank you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have fun.